Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to secure a perfect domain for digital marketing business on your online store on Shopify. Easy and quick. So first of all, we are here on the home page. So you have to follow this setup guide right here. So you have to add your first product. Okay, so you can add the title, the description, you can add or upload new media. You can customize here the pricing options. You can customize the inventory, the quantity, and the shipping. So that's it. After this, go to the next step. So here you can customize your online store. You can customize the themes. Okay, so as you see here, you can customize. So you can select your favorite one and click here customize, and it's gonna be customized. Now let's move on to the next step. So here you have to name your store. Okay, so as you see now, for example, for the digital marketing business, and here you have to add store phone and save this. So now let's move on to the next section. Set your shipping rate. So as you see here, you have to choose where you ship and how much you charge, so your customers can see their shipping costs at checkout. And after this, set up payment provider. Choose a payment provider to start accepting payments. And the last one, place a test order. So make sure things are running smoothly by placing a test order from your own store. So that's it. Now before you launch your store, you have to fix this settings right here. Okay, so the first thing here, you have the store details. So you can enter here your information, so you can manage the time zone and the units of measurements. Let's move on to the next section. So here you have to choose a plan or pick your plan. So you can pick the basic or the Shopify or the advanced. So all of them you have just only $1 for your first month. Here more ways to sell. So this two right here, you can just $1 for a month, and the third one here for 3 years. So you have to pay more. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on to the billing. So as you see here, you have to add the payments button, the payments method. Here you have to enter your information, the card number, the expires, here the billing address, your country, your region, the first name, the last name, the address, and after done, add the credit card. Here you have the billing currency, your current billing currency. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, users and permissions. Here manage what users can see or do in your store. Here you can compare plans, select a subscription plan that includes additional staff accounts, and control who can do what. So now let's move on to the payments section. Okay, as you see here, you can choose a providers that enable you to accept payments methods at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new orders once you select a plan. So now you can choose a provider. So as you see, for example, like this one, and you have to contact provider. So that's it. Now let's move on to the checkout. So as you see here, you have to customize and manage the customer contact method. So you can choose phone number or email. Here you can manage the customer information, the full name, the company name, the address line. Here you have the marketing options. the address collection preferences, the order processing. Here we have you can add additional scripts, and the last thing is to save this. So that's it. Here you have the customer accounts, so you can manage the domain. Also you can customize the themes. That's it. So now let's move on to the domains section. So today we're gonna talk about digital marketing domain. So first of all, click here buy new domain and add or search for your domain. Okay, so as you see here, you have to buy this one and pay $15 for a year. And also you can choose other results like this one. So you have to fix the billing. I didn't fix it, so you can just follow the steps I said, and you can easily buy a new domain. So that's it. Let's move on to the customer events. So as you see here, you can add the customer pixel or explore pixel apps. You can add the pixel name here. So that's it. Here you have to add the brand. So you can add the logos, add the default logo, add the square logo. You can add the primary color or the secondary color. Here the cover image. You can add the short description. You can add here the social links, Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or Instagram. Here you can custom the data, so you can manage the custom data, add a custom piece of data to a specific part of your store. Here you can customize the languages. If you want to add languages, you can add just from here, select your language. That's it. Here we have the customer privacy. Here you can customize the notifications, the customer notifications, the staff notification, the fulfillment request notification, or the webhooks. So that's it. So now after you fix the settings, and after you follow this setup right here, now you can launch your store. So that's it for today. That's how to secure a perfect domain for digital marketing business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.